going on, everyone? It's Thomas from What Thomas Says YouTube and Photography, and today we are in beautiful Fort Lauderdale Beach getting ready to do some jet ski riding. We are at a vendor named Splash Sports, and we're going to go ahead and film our ride and talk to you about Splash Sports just in case you wanted to do some jet ski riding out in Fort Lauderdale, so stay posted. Actually, this guy's over here filling up. How many gallons did he take?
I don't know, but it takes a lot.
Alright. Yeah, really? We've been talking about buying one for a couple years now. I don't know about 30-gallon jet ski tanks we're going to be filling up. Bad enough, I got to fill up the truck now. Alright, so I get in.
You guys don't get too close while you're out there, and then you don't bump into like that. Alright? So top on, you're going to connect the key to your life jacket. I'll bump one of these through, buckle it back up. You guys fall off, pulls out the key, and that shuts off the engine. Kind of like a treadmill, right? It's going to go underneath that circle just like that. That allows the green button up top there. Pull that down. Starts right up. Red button underneath, turn it off. Like I said, if that key comes out, it'll shut right off, okay? Gas is going to be on the right. Go hard and squeeze, as fast as you go. Not like a motor cycle, okay? There's no brakes on the jet ski, so if you guys want to slow down, you're just going to let off the gas, alright? Always want to make sure you get on directly from the back. You guys try to hop on from the side, the jet ski might flip upside down. Do it to straight ahead of you. You got 4 red balls on your right. There's 3 of them on your left. That's the only way you're allowed to leave the beach and come back to the beach. Red, alright? The left side, get that white stick popping up. Those go up and down the beach both ways. That's what separates the boats from the swimmers. Most important that you guys stay outside of that. Come inside, rides over, there's no warning. That's like driving a car on the sidewalk. Really bad.
Staying inside, like,
you don't want to be inside the white stick. You want to be outside. Okay. And like, if you look down this way, you see they go in a line. They're not. Far down that way as you can go. And over here on this side, we see that crane popping out. That's the thumbs down.
yeah.
The white building behind that's called the Conrad. Once you get out there, you'll see it.
Conrad. So about 4 buildings down.
And then going straight out, you guys look straight ahead of us. That small white boat that's out there is not moving. Alright, so once you get out there, you notice there's like some white bogies that look like the orange ones. So make sure you don't go past those. Alright, one thing you want to keep in mind, you break down while you're out there. And then as far as time goes, you guys just go out there and enjoy your time. You don't need to check on how much time you got left. Alright, just make sure you stay outside the white sticks. You stay far from the okay?
Okay, we are about 10 minutes in our ride, and I already lost my sunglasses, so no cool pictures or videos, I guess, for the remainder of our jet ski ride. But once again, it's a beautiful day out here. Out here, maybe a quarter mile off the shore. Wanted to just show you guys jet ski we're working with. It's a nice yellow and black one. No reverse, but that's okay. All right, and I got it on tape too. And you see my brother over there saying you want to race? Just like black people, man. All right, sounding good. Well, I'm ready when you are. You got two techies out here. I'm out here filming on my Osmo Pocket. He's out there with the GoPro and the Osmo Pocket. So we're gonna have some nice videos for you guys. All right, it's race time now, though. Ready where you are. Looks like your boy won. Can't even see him out there. Dusted his ass. Oh, he got some reinforcements coming up. Yeah. What happened, bro? So that's an L, right? All right, for sure, man. My boy took that L, he admitted it. My boy took that L, he admitted it, man. That's beautiful right there. Uh-oh, let's go ahead and get this. Yeah, hold on.
Mike,
Look at us getting our water sports on. Black Lives Matter, baby. All right, let's see what kind of ugly faces I'm making when I cut this thing all the way up on rapid speed. Out here, rockets, I don't know what. So I don't know how good you can see underneath, but it looks like it's about a good 20 feet down where we're at, and it's actually pretty clear. I'm making a lot of waves right now from my jet ski, but you can see it pretty clearish for Florida water. That's pretty impressive. Usually water around here is like so murky you can't even see underneath it, but here today it's pretty clear. So I'm usually the drone guy, but they got one following us today. Oh yeah, you see them getting that footage out there? So that's a nice little segue for me. In addition to photography, I do drone work too. Some video. Like this one here that you're watching. You can follow my YouTube. It's What Thomas Says. Everything's spelled accurately and how it's supposed to. Instagram as well. What Thomas Says. You can check me out on my website. It's whatthomassays.com. And if you have some business inquiries or some questions or need help with something, just hit me up. I love to engage with my followers and everybody on social media. So yeah, so do that. All right, guys. Unfortunately, our time has ran out. 1 hour on a jet ski is a pretty long time, man. I always advise everybody that is going out for their first time, just start with 30 minutes. Or you can, 30 minutes may be enough time. You may be tired, and then you can just always add like another 30 minutes on it if you want to do an hour. But we've been riding jet skis for years now, so we're used to it. But yeah, so our time has came over, and we're going into